Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of EURUSD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the 1 hour chart of EURUSD in front of us. And as you can see that EURUSD is under pressure, means sellers are dominating this market. If you look at the present structure of the market here, then we can clearly see the influence of sellers. If you remember, then in our previous videos, on our video on Saturday, we talked about the importance of this high, because last week when EURUSD made this low, we saw a change in the market structure. Before, the market was in clean uptrend, market was forming higher highs, higher lows, but this low changed everything. Because to continue the upside, EURUSD had to cross the previous high of 1.1010. But as expected, EURUSD failed to cross the previous high, and EURUSD formed a lower high here. And this lower high signify a change in the market structure, a change in the trend, a trend reversal sign. Okay, and according to expectation, and as discussed, we got the trend reversal we were waiting on the chart of EURUSD. Right now, euro dollar is standing at 1.0892. If you're wondering about the next support, then obviously the Fibonacci is the best tool here. Why? Because we can see the Fibonacci retracement tool is doing a fine job. We have discussed. You can see here that when market came down to Fibo 23.6, market bounced. Market came down to Fibo 38.2, market bounced. At least market retraced, and you could have gone for a quick buy position. But there was news, so market broke this Fibo 50 here, but market almost took support around Fibo 61.8% retracement level, and we also had support around this area. So the next level of EURUSD is around 1.0873. This is the next support on the chart of EURUSD. If not a complete trend reversal, at least you can expect a bounce of 25 to 30 pips, because market is respecting Fibonacci for quite some time. So 1.0873 is a quick buy level on the chart of euro dollar if market takes support and bounces. But in case of extreme volatility, because we can see that we have a news coming out during the US session. So in case of extreme volatility, obviously Fibo may not work. Then you can look for some support around the low or the starting point, that is 1.0844. 1.0844. This will be the level where you can look for the ultimate support on the chart of EURUSD. But beginners, new traders, try to be careful, because during the news your stop losses may not work because of slippage. So there may be extreme volatility, so please try to close down all your US dollar positions. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Capital is extremely important. So the 1.0873 is the level where you can expect a minor bounce, and 1.0844 is the level in case of a good volatility, good selling pressure, we can expect some support. Okay. And if you look at the chart of USD index DXY, then we can see that DXY is right now standing at the previous high here. As we have already discussed, this also we have discussed that if DXY really wants to continue the upside, it will have to cross the previous high here. After a deep correction, DXY is trying to recover. DXY is trying to continue the upside, but facing some resistance around the previous high. And again, we have a 200 moving average here as well. To continue the upside, DXY will have to break 103.30. Then only we can consider that DXY is really in uptrend. Right now, it is struggling around the previous high. If you really like my work, and if you really want to take up trading as a serious source of income, then you can consider joining the world's most affordable Forex Trading Workshop. Yes, the Forex Trading Workshop is back again. I conduct a workshop in both Hindi and English language. It's a 3 days workshop followed by 1 month support. Just go to my website, you will see the topics that I'll be covering in 3 days. Okay, it's a 3 days workshop, and you can see that these are the topics that I'll be teaching after the workshop. Yes, right after a 3 days workshop, there will be weekly classes. Okay, so workshop is a part of the Pro Trader program. You can see the benefits or the support you'll be receiving during the 1 month. So 10 reasons to join the Pro Trader program and all these benefits you'll be receiving. You can see here I have also shared my story so that you can understand that nothing is impossible in the market. And most importantly, the workshop is not for complete beginners. If you're a trader who have been struggling with the market, unable to make money for the last couple of months, then only the workshop will be useful for you. That's why I have also shared a questionnaire so that you can understand whether the workshop will be useful for you or not. And the best part is the fees. You can see here it's only $15 or rupees 1000 for Indians, and you can see the dates are 5, 6 and 7 for Hindi classes, and for English classes 8, 9 and 10 of July. Timing is mentioned here, everything is mentioned, and if you cannot attend, no need to worry, recordings will be there, okay, so that you can watch later on. Everything is mentioned on the website, the payment procedure and all, everything. So if you really want to take up trading to the next level, you can definitely consider joining the workshop. After all, this is the world's most affordable forex trading workshop, and hopefully you will learn a lot of things. So these are the trading opportunities in case we see a drop on the chart of Euro USD. And if you're wondering about the resistances, then in this type of market structure where sellers are dominating, sell on rise or sell at resistance is the best trading strategy you can follow. So first of all, we have some resistance around 1.0900, 1.0900 to 1.0910. This is the first level where you can expect the market to face some resistance. This is the immediate resistance, so be careful, observe the market first. If you see the market is struggling around this area, market is showing strong price rejection from above, market is showing a shooting star kind of a pattern, then only go for a sell position. On the other hand, especially during the European session, if you see that Euro USD is going up, trying to recover, in that case, forget about the sell position because this is a weak level. Then look for a sell around 1.0920 level. 1.0920 level. Why 1.0920? We can see here we have FIBO 38.2% retracement level. We also have the 100 moving average around the area, as well as we can also see price rejection previously around the same level. If we combine all the factors, 1.0920 or this particular level, okay, is a far better resistance, or we can sense far better presence of sellers around this area in comparison to this level. But yes, this is also weak resistance, but yes, it is there. So let's wait and watch and try to trade from level to level only. If market reverses from the resistances according to our expectation, then only hit on the sell button. Whatever you do, follow proper risk management. This is my analysis. I can be wrong as well. I'm also a trader like you. So do not gamble with your hard money. Bye bye. Take care.